So today, this system called Exambot, an AI-powered exam generator for batch data. First, go to the Google and search for Exambot Me. So click the first one, which is the Hello Red Spartan, and then click Sign Up. So when you sign up, you can pick the role name and make sure it's faculty, and then log in. And also, you need to fill up some basic details. You can read the terms and conditions for the confidentiality of the data that you will enter here. So click submit, and then when you're done, you can see the TOS generation and TOS list. So as you can see, there's no TOS so far. So we need to upload the CIS PDF file. Make sure it's PDF. So the CIS PDF file is will be uploaded, and then click upload CIS, and the system will start to extract that. Wait for some time, and then it will show on pop-up, and then we can now generate a table of specification. Make sure to put total item or overall item, and then click generate, and as you can see, the POS is generated successfully with its corresponding percentage. So you can see the status pending, and you need it to verify by the BSIT program chair. It should be reviewed first before the approval of the dean. Eh, let's wait for the review the table of specification, and as you can see, it also be successfully. And then we can log out the BSIT program chair and go to the dean account. So it will approve the POS. So once the POS is approved, we can now proceed to uploading the course materials. So let's wait for the approval, and then as you can see, successfully and done, we need to log in again to the faculty side. So let's search for the faculty that we use. It's yes, that's, and then click login. As you can see, the activity log is TOS approved, and then you can see the calendar. And then in the TOS list, the status will be approved, and now we can use that for the uploading of the course material. So let's upload course material. It's either PDF file, PPT, image. Let's wait for the uploading process done. So click upload, and let's wait for the uploading process done. So once it's done, you can see the uploaded um, file. So we can now generate exam type for that. So as you can see, there's no exam approval here. We need to generate first the exam type here. So click generate exam type, and it will classify different exam type. So let's wait for a while waiting to generate an exam type here. So once it's done, you can see the topic and its corresponding Bloom's level items and the exam type. You can edit the exam type. It's either fill in the blank, multiple choice, short answer, true or false, completion, and essay. So we will put different exam type here. So you can generate a different exam type in the exam. So let's wait for the editing of exam type here. The data from that is get from the TOS, by the way. So once it's done, so we can now generate an exam here. As you can see, the format of the TSU or batch state to exam. So once it's done generating, so you can click the generate if you want to change the um, question composition. So let's wait for generating. Once it's done, you can see the question change, but the answer is not. So it's dependent on the faculty if they want to change that. Sometimes generate, please regenerate uh, the answer. So you need to regenerate it. So the status is pending. You need to upload it in the bin or the safety program chair. So let's upload that in bin's account. So let's click today so we can easily see the and then as you can see the status pending and we will need to upload that then click submit and then let's go to the faculty account again. So let's search for the faculty account. Click login. As you can see the exam is approved in activity lab. So you can see the status approved here. Then when you click your exam, you can click the exam if you want to have an exam in face-to-face class or with a hard copy of that. So we can see the assessment list and we can schedule assessment, but we will do on scheduling in the PSIT program chair. So let's wait for this and then if you can see the assessment scheduled here. So we will now add an assessment and pick the assessment generated by the faculty that is and then so and see if it will be some there's a autism and then you can select multiple assessment class schedule so start time and end time so let's wait for the studies then status active if inactive it will not show to the student it will show but the button is not clickable so let's go to the account of the student and then you can see when we click on some it will show the some so let's see right and then you can see the exam and then we click the exam and then let's wait for the system response and then we click exam it will go to this page so this one will not allow student to copy or paste or either alt tab it will show on warning and then a sound a warning sound so when we go to that way scanning then it will not allow also the developer option then when it's done you can click submit after that you can go to the faculty site account again and then click assessment response and then you will see the assessment and then here the responded and then list if the exam is done or not answered by the student by the time they scheduled. So we can do on scoring here and then click save score. So as you can see the percentage of the status and then you can edit that if you want to. You can change the percentage there. Also, there's a correct answer to be shown here, so the part you can compare the answer based on then click save score and then it will update and then also show the warning and then the time answer to reset it. So, so once you the assessment analysis here, you can filter the exam here and show the total response, total score, average score, median, and the deviation, max score, and then score per question. So with this, you can simply see the item analysis here. So let's go to the demo account of the Power Tool. There's a response from the student in the item analysis, so we can see the detailed item analysis there. So this context, you can see the assessment, first years pass, and then the warning, and also here in that item analysis, you can see the total response, total scores, median, standard deviation. So you can whether it's one median too, so you can easily see that. So you see the minimum score, max score, and with that we can now log out our account and see the exam progress. And then update it lang. And then with that you can see the terms and conditions where the data are collected and stored correctly by the privacy.